Hi everyone, welcome back to Aggregate. Today we are going to learn aggregate and analytical functions. This is agenda of this training. We are going to cover these functions and finally we will see the real world use cases for those functions. So what is aggregate function? The function performs calculation on group of rows and return one single value as the result. And we are going to cover these aggregate functions. Okay, let me open this SQL developer. I have the sample table. This one is sample table. This name is sales data. We have around this many columns are there. Sales the ID, so unique ID of the table and date of the sale and this customer number, products, laptop and mouse, monitor. These are all products and region are four regions: north, south, and east and west. Quantity, how many number of purchases the customer made. Unit price and amount means the total amount of the purchase. So I'm going to drop the table, but already that one already exists on database. So I'm going to create this table now. So table sales data is created on the database. So let me insert this many 20 around 20 records. I'm going to insert it on the database. Those records are inserted. You can see I'm just applying the one record. So sales ID and date of sale, and this one is customer ID and customer what they purchased, what are the region, and this one how many number of purchases customer who made, and unit price 60,000 here, and total amount is 60,000. So I inserted this many records. First, let me execute this count function. I execute this one, returns the 20 records. So count will return the number of records. If I use star here, it includes null value also. So customer ID, I'm passing customer ID as a parameter in the count. I'm executing this one. Again, it shows 20. 20 customers are there. So this one it will retrieve the unique customers. So it shows 19 because we are customer ID, right? This is a customer ID column. So your duplicate is here, right? Not one, twice it is coming, so that returns the 19. Okay, next one is sum. So it returns the total revenue of the record set. This one is written the average of the record set. Average amount is 36,235. Then this statement return the minimum and the maximum sale. Okay, and this one is smallest sale and this one is biggest sale. Group by function, it will group the here it will group the summarize values through region. To execute the query, it will immediately we know that which region performs well. I'm executing this query. See there, north region performs well because total sale amount is 3,50,000. Next one is having class. So it is going to filter the grouped value, grouped amount. So above 50,000, the two records are listed. Next one is analytical function. Let us see what is analytical function. This one we covered it. Count star and amount, sum, average, minimum, maximum. Group by we covered and having also we covered it. The analytical function performs calculation on group of rows and returns one result per row. Okay, these are all analytical functions: row number and rank, dense rank, sum over, average, lag and lead, first value, end title. Let me go to open this SQL developer. So row number, the syntax is row number over here partition by and ordered by is there. So row number it will assign unique number to the record or record set or window of those records. Let me execute this function, this query now. So assign the unique value here. This column C. Here we used the partition. Based upon partition, it assigned new unique number. Here for first partition is east, assigned 1 to 5. The next partition north, it assigned 1 to 4. South partition by that way, south and west. So because we are partitioning by region, the order by amount is descending order. So records are listed in descending order. We have a rank and dense rank function. Same syntax is same as row number, but we use rank. There will be a gap between the rank. Okay, here if I'm executing this query, see there is a gap 1, 2, 3, 2 is missing here. So because both are equal, both amount are equal, so that Oracle assigns rank as 1. So dense rank, if you go for dense rank, there is no gap between rank. Let me execute this one. See, assign rank 1 to the first two records and 2 directly assigned 2. There is no gap here. There is a difference between rank and dense rank. And running sum you are using the sum analytical function here. It will show the running total of the purchase. Okay, order by sales date. Okay, let me execute this query now. So final value, it will show the revenue of the purchase. So it will any single day, any sales day, customer or the owner knows the exact revenue running total. Day by day it shows the running total here. Okay, that is sum function. Next one is average. They are finding average in three sales. First order by sales data row rows between two proceedings and current row means three sales. They are finding average. So this will show average of the first three records. This number is 59,166,000. Next one is lag and lead. So it will show the previous amount, and also the lag will show the previous amount. Lead will show the next amount. So user can know at a time in a record, user can know the current amount and also previous amount, and also next amount. Let me execute this query now. See previous here for this record there is no previous value, so that it shows as null, and then next amount is 1,16,000. So in this second record previous amount is 60,000. Amount is 60, this value will come here. The next amount, right, 1500, this is the one. So this is lead and lag function. Then first value, it will retrieve the first value of the window. May execute. See all the records. It took the first value. The first value is 60,000. That is the first value. Analytical function. Next one is entile. Here it will entile means it will divide the records in buckets. Here four buckets. Four means four. It will return as a four buckets here. So and assign number. So you see first number one for first bucket, second for second bucket, third and fourth. Okay. So we have covered all these functions with live examples. So row number and rank. This will return the running total. We saw that, right? Moving average for three rows. Lag and late functions. First value. Entity. Real-time use cases. Uh, for sales and analytics. Running total and month comparison. Running total we saw that, right, sum, and this one is a lead and lag function through that we can assume monthly comparison. It's through customer ranking employees by salary. The finance moving average for revenue tracking. This one also we executed. We saw average for three rows. And then details segmenting customers, segmenting customers with the end tile. We have completed this session today. If you found this is helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Accurate Tech. Thanks for watching. See you on next session. Bye.